So I noticed that it was made by the broom we used for poop. So I'm apparently holding the poop right now. And there's white stuff from the plants.
Is that from the plants?
I think so, cause look.
No, that's from the Kisses chocolate.
Kisses
Yung
chocolate.
Yung pag inaano.
Wait, can I?
So basically, bumili yung birds ng Kisses chocolates, tapos kinain muna nila. And then, nung tapos na sila, sabi nila, uy, pwede natin ito ilagay sa nest natin. So, they put it there as an add-on.
Okay.
What's the
Kinda
color?
makes sense.
What's the color? What's the shape?
So the color is brown, and under it, I do not know what that is, but yeah.
It's white. I wonder where they got them from. That's my I wonder. I wonder where they got that from.
The Kisses.
And
I just told
what do you wonder?
But there's no kisses sign. See?
Yeah.
So
What?
it's not.
No.
It's not the kisses. It's not.
No, see, there's no kisses sign.
Yep. So
And
what
it's
else?
really dirty.
Oh, don't do that. What's the color? What's the shape?
The
What's the
color
size?
is like brown and
Brown poop. That's a shade.
Okay.
white. And the shape is like a circle, and only
What do you wonder about it?
I wonder how the birds made it, and like
Yeah.
I wonder how they made the little hole there.
Yeah.
They just like it was like this first, and then they just used their little hands to do that.
Okay.
And wait, the last question.
And there is a little.
What does it remind you of?
It reminds me of chocolate.
Chocolate?
Cause look, right?
Okay. Well, how about Andrew?
It also kind of reminds me of coconut shell.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you Drew. So what did you observe or notice?
I observed that it's made out of Kisses chocolate wrappings, and it's also made out of little twigs.
Little twigs, yeah.
And
From branches
Yes.
of trees,
No. Definitely not from branches.
and then
I also observed that near us there. I also observed that
Oh!
the shade is brown too. Okay.
what do you wonder?
Okay, so I wonder how. I wonder why. That was a funny joke in my head, but like, so I wonder how they got the money to buy Kisses. And I wonder how they made it.
What does it remind you of?
Kisses.
Clearly, kisses, because you keep on saying that, even if it's not really kisses.
It is Kisses.
What do you think this is?
Kisses.
No, it's not.
Kisses wrappings.